Here is how you insert a SIM card in Samsung A13. So first we need the SIM ejector tool. This is found in a box, or you can use a paperclip or pin. On the left hand side of the phone, we have this outline in a hole. This is our SIM card tray. So put the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into that hole of the SIM card tray and push down, and the SIM card tray should partially eject. And then use your nails to pull out the SIM card slot. So the left slot is micro SD, and then we have two physical SIM card slots. So get your SIM card, and you want to match the ridge of the SIM card with the ridge of the tray. So the ridge being there, and if done correctly, you should be able to push the SIM card into the tray, and it should be nice and flush. If you're having issues with this, chances are you just need to flip the SIM card tray around. So once your SIM or two SIMs are placed, then we just do the reverse. So we're just going to make sure that we carefully push and wiggle the SIM card tray back in. And now we can see the SIM card has been inserted.